Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to this room. This is the room where we test all our booths and air compressors. And right there is my dehydrator. There's my waterfall booth. And I just drained the water out of it because I'm going to put it in a new spot. And I saw this one. Now, this is a spray box, not a spray booth. I guess because it's shaped like a box. I don't know. And the engine blows upward out the back. It looked really good to me, and it was about $150 or so, 160, I guess, and which I thought was reasonable. And never heard of this company, Calpgenie. What is that? Capital J, 2 words. And stainless steel housing, environmental friendly, strong wind, quiet. We shall see. Yeah, let's unbox this thing. I guess I slid it open, but I haven't looked at it yet. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to. Wow, the exhaust hose is huge. That's a 6 or an 8. Wow. Yeah, that's not a bigger than a 4-inch. All right. Let me put this. Oops, the camera. Let me put this on the floor, guys, and I'll take it out, put it back on the table, and let's take a look at this. All right, guys. I'm going to show you this quick before I got going here and unpacked it all the way. It's taped up. Real high quality here. I had no idea. Look at this thing. It's got a slim build, giant motor with a beautiful exhaust. Can you see the exhaust fan in there? And that's why the hose, it's a 6-inch exhaust hose. Variable speed, it looks like. It's got a plug on top. I guess to plug lights in. It might not have any lights. You might not need it because it's so small that it looks like it's slim, that the light from above will get the job done. And I noticed it's a European plug, but get this. It comes with an adapter this time. And it says it will work in the US, so we'll try that out. But look at how slim and nice this is. Wow, kind of impressed. I couldn't tell by pictures, but I knew it looked different, and I wanted to try it. But let me pause the camera and cut this packing tape off. Let's open this up, and let's check this out. I'm already impressed, so I hope it performs as good as it looks. I'll be right back. Let me pause this. All right, guys, here it is. It's set up. It is awesome. It's kind of a slim, as I showed you before. I had to peel off the packing, you know, the cutting paper. When this plexiglass, it ships, it has that coating on it. I peeled all that off. You don't really need a light, to tell you the truth. The light shines right through, but like I said, it's got a plug right here, so I can lay a light right there if you want. Now, unfortunately, I looked it up and it says it's filter free. So it shows it in their stoves, and I guess you can use it for all kinds of stuff. I'm going to use a filter, maybe with acrylics. You could, I don't know, but it says periodically wash the thing. So I'm guessing it's more like yeah, for stoves and whatnot. But it says airbrush in the manual. Now, I left the fan open. I didn't put the hose, which is right here. So I want you to hear how quiet this actually is at full blast. That's pretty good, man. That's pretty quiet, and it's really, really powerful. It's hard to convey. It's a paper towel, a good one, not a tissue, you know. And but this is what I would do. I would go out. What is this? A 12 by 12. And you can feel it. It's sucking this filter, holding it up. That's how strong it is. This fits pretty good, actually. So this is one of those close, kind of like the Asian market uses these type of spray boots. They're really compact, and you just spray right into the fan, and that's what it looks like this type is. And yeah, this is a 12 by 12 by 1 inch, and I believe it's got a high MERV on this one. Where's the MERV count? Hold on, guys. We'll find it. We'll find it. Oh, here it is. The MERV 11. So that's pretty high. This should capture a lot. So make sure the flow rate is in the right spot. Here's the arrow. So you want the air passing this way. And there it is. So, and it's got adjustable fan. You can actually dial it way down if you wanted. I'd go full blast. If you want to hear it off, That's off. So, yeah, this is impressive. I'll put the vent on it here. My bucket's under the table here. I use it when I test my air boots. So I'm going to we'll put the hose on it and we'll spray. I might even just spray water. I just want to see how it captures. But obviously, I'm telling you right now, this is a really powerful, impressive fan. Now the exhaust is right there. It's really, really compact. So no wonder it's powerful. I mean, the motor's right there. Boy, I'm kind of blown away by this. This is a great idea. I don't know why others haven't used this this idea yet. There we go. All right, let me go grab my spray brush here and put some alcohol or some water in it, and we'll see how it pulls in. Maybe we'll spray put some black primer in it too. All right, let me go get that set up. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to put some paint in this to see how it is pulling it in, but I can see it curving right in. You know, you're all gonna spray right here. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab some black primer, or I'll grab some black primer from that new Gallery Kaleido paint line. That'll be the way to go. But I got the hose hooked up, and boy, this is an impressive little spray booth. I'm using alcohol because it dries quickly in the airbrush. I don't have to worry about leaving water in behind. Yeah, let me go ahead and put this over. I attached the hose with that. And it came with this attachment. It looks like it fits on the end or over the exhaust here. Depends on what hose you guys use. But it came with that one, so that'll fit the standard window vent, and which is good. And it's still holding this thing up really well. Wow, really impressive. Yeah, let me go grab some primer. Let's see how that works. All right, here we go. We put in some of that new Kaleido primer, and yeah, it is pulling right to the center. Wow, it is I like this spray booth. I just do. This awesome primer from Kaleido is great. The whole paint line is awesome. Look at that. It sprays just like a lacquer. I don't know how these guys did it, but they did it. Incredible. Anyway, that's another video. Check this out. Yeah, I like this booth quite a bit. And don't forget, you can add a light with the plug in the back. So, there's not much to show other than that. Let's see. Yeah, these Murph filters are great. Look at that. No paint has hit that at all. And I even think you could probably peel these out if you needed to, and put a layer on there too. But look at that, it holds it right up. Wow, it makes for easy changing, that's for sure. And that's the perfect size, I guess, 12 by 12. But yeah, let's turn this off and let's wrap this up. All right, there we go. I turned it off. Let's get this out. There we go. That is it. And I guess if you had a premium for space, it's very thin. Let me get a tape measure. It's about 20 inches deep here. But think about this. It's pretty flat in the back. So let me grab this camera here. See how flat it is? So we're going to go with a measurement of... I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna say this is on your bench. You leave it on your bench, but you need places to build and not paint. You just fold this up. I don't know which end goes first here. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. So now you got all this workspace. If this is against the wall, this is like 2 feet away from my wall, so you can't go by that. Now we're looking at 12 inches. So now you're only a foot against your wall. You've just recovered all of that workspace. This goes further back too. Oh, here's that little screw. I kept saying that the screw's missing, and here it is, right there. So, yeah, when you're ready to paint, pull on the tray, you pull everything up. You can actually line everything with paper if you want, but it's so powerful, it pulls the paint right through the middle. I'm quite impressed by this, and I think I paid like one. Let me go see what I paid for it before we say goodbye here. Yep, here it is, guys. I pulled my other phone out. $140, $159, $160. and free delivery. It took a few days to deliver, so it's not going to be quite as fast. Oh, only 14 left, man. If you guys want one, grab this, because I think after I put this up, it's gonna go. So yeah, there it is. There's the measurements. Yeah, there's something about it. I liked in the pictures, so I said it's different. Let's give it a shot. Boy, it is way better than expected. A big thumbs up for me. I like this thing quite a bit. Just go get your filters. 12 by 12 by 1, and just face the arrow where the airflow goes. Oh, see, it won't stay up unless we turn it on. There we go. And there you go. It's quiet. It's compact. Huge thumbs up. I love the thing. So say goodbye with that off. So yeah. Anyway, I'll put the link below. Like I said, there's only 14 left, so it's gonna go probably quickly. And rightfully so. It is a good piece. I even think the company wrote me when I bought it, and they says, "Oh, thank you for purchasing. Let me know what you think. If you have any troubles, write me." And I'm gonna have to write and thank the guy for such a good product. And when I say thank the guy, this is the picture in the book. Look, it's this guy with the thumb up, and it just says Chief Designer right there. Is that Mr. Kelp Genie himself? Anyway, anyway. I was laughing at the brand name, but not anymore. Sorry, buddy, if that's your name. Kelp Genie. Big thumb up. Anyway, guys, there you go. That is the test. I'll put a link below for this, right at the top of the description below the video. And let me know what you think if you guys get one, because I am impressed. Anyway, man, that is the video. Next video up, I think we'll be testing the new Gallery air compressor, the Super Apex. Awesome air compressor. It just arrived, and we'll be testing that. That looks like quite the piece. So that test is coming up next, and we got a lot of stuff lined up after that too. So anyway, guys, have a great rest of your weekend. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Anyway, guys, God bless you all. You guys are absolutely the best. Have a wonderful rest of your day.